Good Saturday morning, everyone. We are now less than 24 hours away from the arrival of our first dose of wintry precipitation from the well advertised storm system that will be moving in for our Sunday, followed by that Arctic blast that's going to leave us below freezing for many, 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 many hours. Well advertised Arctic blast. I was telling the Cumberland County Emergency Management Director, Travis Cole, yesterday, I said, if this winter system on Sunday and Monday and the Arctic blast afterwards catches anyone off guard, I want to know what they're doing to stay so out of the loop, because I don't know how you could avoid hearing about this system and the cold air to follow. I think we've been talking about this. It feels like we've been talking about this since before Christmas. Well advertised. So National Weather Service has now issued winter weather advisories for all those counties you see shaded in that weird purplish bluish color in Tennessee. They did extend those winter weather advisories up into Kentucky, about a couple of counties as you see there. That is a change. They had issued a winter storm watch for all of those counties along the Tennessee-Kentucky border. They have now downgraded that to a winter weather advisory for those counties nearest the border. Now, in eastern Kentucky, those counties that you see nearest the East Tennessee border are still under a winter storm watch. They're still on the fence about what they're going to get, and that's understandable. We're seeing how much warm air is going to make it in here quick enough to keep those folks from having a winter storm. But those of us in Tennessee, we are under a winter weather advisory, and that is for impacts to travel. Okay. Whenever you have a winter weather advisory, that means the impacts to travel could be quite high. I've been saying that for several days now, so that also should not catch you off guard. But we are not expecting impacts to trees and power lines. So that makes a big difference when it comes to the magnitude of your winter weather event. Today's USA Mortgage level of concern, I'm sure Miss Charlotte N. Goodwin is proud to sponsor this graphic that tells you there are no weather worries for our Saturday. What a great day, calm before the storm, to get ready. If there's anything you was going to do tomorrow, get it done today. Okay, if there was something you were going to do Monday that you could go ahead and do today, I'd go ahead and do it today, because Monday is looking kind of too. So we're looking at some 2 rough weather days ahead of us with just a variety of everything coming our way. Clearview Clouds and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. Saturday, great. Highs in the low 30s, partly cloudy skies, just a light northwest breeze at 5 miles per hour. What a day to get done what you need to get done. Tonight, dropping down to around 20. Sunday, wintry mix. Okay. Throughout much of the day, it looks like for many of us, southeast winds 10 miles per hour gusting to 20. Precip will be light on Sunday, but we could certainly see some impacts to travel. Overnight rain, 100% chance. Temperatures warm through the night on Sunday night, so we don't have to worry about that 41 dropping down to 31 or anything like that. That 41 is going to barely drop down into the 30s. And then on Monday morning, cold air comes back in, that 35 degrees drops. So by mid-morning, we're probably below freezing again, and we're seeing some light snow showers, snow flurries, and seeing some light accumulation. Northwest winds 15, gusting to 25. Woo, it's going to be a cold day, dropping down to 17 Monday night. Tuesday and Wednesday, excuse me, highs only in the 20s. Lows in the teens Tuesday night, single digits Wednesday night. We go below freezing Monday morning, and we don't go above freezing till maybe Friday. I'm talking daytime highs and lows. We're not going above freezing until Friday at the earliest. Premier generators, this is our expected impacts. And I have modified this just a bit, especially with the time frames. 6 a.m. to noon Sunday, travel terrible. I've said that all along. Travel strongly discouraged. Noon to 6 p.m. Sunday, travel is impacted, but it's improving. Areas north, closer to the Kentucky border, you're going to be slower to improve. You'll be closer to that 2, 3, 4 o'clock p.m. before you start seeing some improvements. The good news is that the precip is light on Sunday for the most part, and so that means we won't be seeing some serious ice accumulation. We'll definitely be seeing impacts to roads, it looks like. Rain heavy at times Sunday night, and again, temperatures slowly rise through the night as that area of low pressure approaches us and pulls up more southerly air. We see that happen all the time around here, so don't be worried about that part. May even hear a rumble of thunder. Heck, there's severe weather to our south. We've got severe weather across the deep south, an ice storm and snowstorm to our north, and we're right here, literally right in the middle. 6 a.m. to midnight Monday, we see that light snow developing and occurring across the plateau. Around an inch of accumulation, it looks like right now. I keep an eye on that for you. M&M snow forecast amounts, it's not changed from last time. It's exactly the same. So just hang with me on this, though. As more data comes in today, we'll be able to fine tune this and get a better handle on what we'll see on Monday with snowfall. On this day in history, 1888, Sacramento, California gets 3.5 inches of snow, an all-time record for that location. The heaviest snow in recent history is 2 inches on February 5th, 1976. So if you think we're hard up for snow around here, you should try living in Sacramento, California. 1919, the high temperature in Crossville was only 11. The average for the whole day, the average temperature for the whole day was 2.5 degrees. Woo, that's cold. Folks, I'll be keeping a close eye on things. I'll let you know if there's anything you need to know about. I'll issue special updates as we go through the weekend, keeping you posted on what's going on. And I'm still watching a system for the end of next week. Models came in hot with that again, so I still say keep Friday and Saturday in the back of your mind. We could have impacts from another snow. So keep that in mind. And that would be all snow because we're going to be Arctic cold. Whew, whew. You folks have a wonderful Saturday. Keep looking up. Keep up with it all. Meteorologistmark.com.